Hello folks, this is Tim Schrock from Design Build Solutions bringing you today's Tech Tip Tuesday. This is kind of a unique one I've never, I don't recall ever having used before. In this situation, I have, let me pull up the rendering. I have a basic gable roof that will be having two gables built on top of that roof, on top of the main roof. And typically what I would do is draw my trusses, and then I would select these roofs and frame those as individual pieces there. But that's not what, whoops, I don't want to delete. Undo. There we go. That's not what's going to be happening on this situation. The contractor wants to build the main trusses and then truss over the gables. But Chief isn't letting me do that, so I had to look up some information. And this is what I found. If you go under roofs, this is my roof icon, and by the way, this is, from as best I can tell, quite a number of versions back. So I'm using X10. You can go back quite a number of versions and still find this. Under my roof tools or build, in the menu roof and truss base. We're going to build a truss base just like we build a roof. We're going to start along the main layer of the wall, drag the first line, and click in the upward direction. Now I'm going to find the point of that roof there, and I want to build over wall top. Baseline of the roof plane that you are drawing is in, I think, let's say build over wall top. Roof's valley truss base is not displayed. Do you want to turn on the layer of this current view? I'm going to go ahead and select yes. And then I'm going to just drag the shape of this truss base to the shape of under the gable, under the overlay gable. And what this is doing is it's creating a roof plane, if you will, for the main trusses, and then a ceiling plane for the cross gable, so that these trusses will sit on top of the ceiling like this. And now that I've got that drawn, I can go ahead and draw, supposedly, that's not working. I'm going to pause this and try to figure this out. Okay, I found it. Just some trial and error. I found somehow I had not, whatever option I selected when I drew this truss base, I have to select that truss base and make it coplanar with the main roof. Now, when I select that main roof, I want to try something, and I'm going to pull this down like so, and draw that. Now when I do that, do my framing overlay here. It doesn't really work when I have the roof down there. So the roof has to follow, it looks like. The roof has to follow the valley line here. And then when I draw my truss, let's take this truss base all the way out to the edge there. Make it a real triangle. There we go. There we go. So I drew a small room out there and tried to see if that would work. Okay. Put it back where I need it. Let's try it like this. There we go. Now I'm going to just drag this up. Excellent. We're going to delete that one. Do our framing. There we go. Now the trusses are sitting, the bottom cord is sitting on top of the main trusses, and that's exactly what we want there. All right, so let's do this again on this one over here. I'm going to select the main roof, and I'm going to make it that this main roof actually follows the valley. I'm going to draw my truss base along the wall and drag it up to the tip of the roof. I'm going to do over the wall top because it seems like it really didn't matter which way I did it. And let's make it coplanar. So I'm going to move to be coplanar with the main roof. Now can I join them? I cannot join these. Okay. Cannot join truss bases as if like you can with roofs, it seems. Hey, if you've got experience with truss bases and have some insight for me, I would be all ears for that. Now I've selected that. Now let's draw my truss in here. Perfect. I'm going to move this down to the wall, edge of the wall, and we're going to make that an end truss. Oh yeah, we're going to make this an end truss over here too. Copy this one up once, and we're going to make that one not an end truss. Continue copying. Take our framing overview. Not sure what happened with that, huh? Select material. Use default. There we go. Thought I changed all that. There we go. There we go. Now I can put my note, 24 trusses 24 inches on center, 7/16 inch wood sheathing, etc. It went a little longer than I expected, but hey, that's how we do, we can do intersecting ridges, intersecting roof planes, where the ridges are perpendicular to each other, and create trusses over trusses. I've learned something. I hope you have. If you've gained some information or learned something to help you out, I would appreciate the encouragement of a thumbs up. As always, subscribe and click the notification bell, and you will get notified each week, each Tuesday, that I release these Tech Tip Tuesday videos. As always, have a great week.